Welcome back to the Chef Ricardo cooking program, guys. Big surprise! Ready again one more time. On the menu again. We're gonna make you some lovely Jamaican ginger jerk seasoning, guys. May I tell you sometimes you cook and you need a little bit of ginger in the pot to make the flavor of the pot, guys. Today we're gonna show you how you can make yourself some nice, lovely homemade ginger seasoning at home. First of all, you need some ginger, fresh thyme, white onion, and just 2 scotch bonnet pepper, and some spring onion, and some fresh garlic, guys. Man, I tell you, I want chunk, nice, lovely, fat chunk, a piece of a ginger. But you need a blender. You have to have a blender to blend to make the jerk seasoning, guys. This is the ginger jerk seasoning. I have the recipe over the last 6 months, and I decided to share it today with someone. Hopefully, you will like the recipe. And please leave your comments, because we all know that ginger is good for you. Ginger is healthy. Ginger is one of the #1 recipe where people used to use back in the days when the people used to say all time. People used to use a lot of ginger and cook with. Well, I get some Jamaican ginger seasoning, jerk ginger seasoning today, guys. Enjoy the recipe and leave your comments. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. Thank you. Yes, as I said, we're gonna make you some lovely Jamaican ginger jerk seasoning blend up, guys. As I said before, back in the days, I used to hear people say, oh, all time people used to use a lot of ginger when them cooking. Guys, today, ginger is one of the #1 recipe a lot of people don't want to use in their cooking. I don't know why, but ginger is very healthy and ginger is good for you. But today I'm going to give you a ginger jerk seasoning where you can use in your cooking when you're making certain kind of food at home, guys. You can tip a little bit of ginger in it, because ginger can last up to 6 months inside of your fridge in a sealed container. Place it in the fridge, and we use it whenever you want to use it to do stuff with, guys. I'm telling you, as I say, I explain it to you how to do your jerk ginger seasoning. Basically, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna place all of my ingredients straight inside of the blender right here. See, I'm placing all of these ingredients straight inside of the blender, because we all know that onions spring a lot of water, and wow, some of them get to, but that's fine still. I'm gonna put everything inside of it. We're gonna make a natural ginger jerk season, guys, where you can use it at home. Anyway, we're gonna put a little bit of vegetable oil inside of the bottom of it just to blend it and to free up the blender, and also just a little pinch of salt to preserve it. Also, you can put vinegar if you have white vinegar also inside of it. The next thing what you need to do is to blend it. Lovely and nice, but so now we're gonna just take a look at it and to see how it look lovely and nice on the inside of it. The scent can't tell you. Smells so good. Give it to our next 2 more minutes, because you don't want to blend it too fine. That's you know. So I'm gonna blend it another 2 more minutes. Nice one. So as you can see, I just finished blending it. Then basically what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna make you guys can see it. So I need to scrape it out for you. So I have a little container right here, but if you're gonna put it into something, you need to put it into something for it to see it. And now I'm gonna simply scrape it out and make you guys can see. Just look at this. This is just really nice and beautiful. Something which come in handy when you're at home and making some nice, lovely. But as you can see, all the ginger, the scotch bonnet pepper, the spring onion, everything you've been seeing. So if you're at home and you want to do something, it's good for you to just take a little bit of the jerk seasoning, the ginger jerk seasoning, and put it, even if you're doing pork, fish, lamb, beef, chicken, whatever you're using. Basically, take a little pinch of it and put it in it, because ginger is very good and healthy for you guys. You know, sometimes I might cook it and you might hear me not mentioning ginger but I'm telling you, ginger is really good. So today I'll show you how you can make yourself up some ginger jerk seasoning. Right here, guys, looking lovely and nice. I tell you guys, that's so nice. Look at it, really beautiful. So just enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave your comments. As you can see, very easy to prepare. As you can see down inside of the blender, you just blend it inside of it, and you know, if you're not freeing up the blender, you just use a spoon and mix it 2 times down in it and get the blender to free up and blend it up, guys. But I tell you, man, the ginger smell nice in the kitchen. Look at it, beautiful and nice, guys. This is a lovely ginger jerk seasoning, guys. Hopefully you will enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. As I say, I have the recipe long time written down and have it sealed away, and I decided to deliver it today. Enjoy it from Chef Ricardo.